cast iron skillet cornbread, some butter in a cast iron skillet, put it in your oven. We're then going to take a box of Jiffy cornbread mix. We're going to get the lumps out, add in 1 egg. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of milk, and we're going to give that a stir. The next thing we're going to do is add in 1 whole can of whole kernel corn. Please make sure to drain your liquid. Then we're going to add in some cheese of your choice. If you want to make this a Mexican cornbread, add in 1 can of chilies, diced green chilies. We're now going to add our batter to this cast iron skillet. Look at the butter, y'all. Look at the butter. We're going to bake this 350 for 35 minutes. We're now going to drizzle the top with a little bit of honey and a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to make sure we get that all over your cornbread. We did put that under the broiler just to get a nice color on the top. We're going to dish this out. Enjoy.